Good evening, gentlemen, guests, and esteemed old boys. It gives me great pleasure to have the opportunity to address you on this special occasion, our school's beloved Founders' Day. Unfortunately, attendance is not where it usually is due to obvious reasons, but the fact that we are still able to gather as a group of Boys High boys, both past and present, during this time is a privilege that I'm sure none of us take for granted. My job this evening, being your only direct access to the Boys High boys themselves, is to effectively convey to you the current Boys High experience, both in contrast to and in relation to your respective journeys at Boys High, and do so unequivocally. This is why I decided to get the most obvious out of the way first, the effects of the global pandemic. Fortunately, I was able to experience the raw and unrestrained magic of 3 normal years at Boys High. But this is 2021. We live in a new world with new norms, as I'm sure we're all aware. These norms have had their impact on the school, but I'm proud to say that these changes have not taken away from the essence of the Boys High experience. Sure, we have lost our eagerly anticipated sports fixtures, our full school assemblies, most special events, but where we've lost, we've gained. Or should I say, where we've lost, we've built. In the face of unpredictable and unfamiliar change, the school, specifically the executive, has adapted to challenges on the fly and managed to not only maintain, but improve the school. The cultural sphere of the school, I'm happy to report, is alive and well amidst the chaos of boys not being able to participate in sports. In fact, just this past week, the Interhouse Play Festival, as you all remember it, was held, and it truly was a testament to the flexibility that we are able to exercise when the going gets tough. One observation that I made about the house plays is how influential Boys High culture was to the various script writers from each house. What I mean by this is that many of the scripts that were written or adapted by our boys contain jokes and phrases and language that outside of the context of Boys High would make absolutely no sense. In fact, some houses didn't even try to disguise it. Their plays were literally set in Boys High with current teaching staff and even current students as characters. I think it's safe to say that our school is inspirational in many different ways. As for the academic side, well, we're trying. Something that I've heard many a time throughout my years is that extramural participation is what balances the scale of a Boys High boys' academic performance. Having a busy schedule filled with activities of different natures forces boys to plan and manage their time to stay on top of things. Our now limited range of extramural activities has certainly, and somewhat ironically, negatively affected some boys' performance. Regardless, we keep giving of our best. This year, being my last at this great school, has truly enabled me to reflect on my time here, as I'm sure you all have done and all still do. Time is running out, and it's running out quickly. When I think about what it is that makes us different, what it is that makes us better, it's easy to get caught up in the big and grand aspects of our school. But what I realized is that although these big things are exceptional and absolutely critical in making Boys High what it isn't the magic that we all know and love. What makes us us are the little things, the moments you have with the people around you, the finer details, the extra effort, the behind the scenes. Over the years, I've been in many different settings within the school or as a representative of the school elsewhere. I've interacted with hundreds, if not thousands of varying people, all linked by our school. I am genuinely convinced that there is something more in the eyes of a Boys High boy. And these eyes are windows to hearts, as the saying goes. There is something more. And this isn't just my isolated opinion as a member of the school. I have heard countless stories in assemblies of parents emailing our headmaster to compliment the Boys High boys' behavior. These emails all have one thing in common. Whoever is sending the compliment expresses that they suspect that that is a Boys High boy. I promise you, that to me at least is proof of there being something more, something special, something unique. That to me is the evidence of the Boys High magic in each individual, which joins together and becomes a collective. And it joins together right here, on nights like tonight, in the maths classroom, on the sports field, on the stage. Once the badge is on your heart, it's in your heart. And once it's in your heart, there's no getting it out. Gentlemen, Pretoria Boys High School is a special place. It is here that we have bound generations together and instilled a love that has lasted over 100 years. It is here that we have established a home and a heart of a bond that transcends both distance and time. It is here that we have made an eternal family that is marked by the colors red, white, and green. And most importantly, it is here that we have learned to live. Thank you.